Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill your tax documents on impact.com. So if you just create an account and you will get this notification to fill your tax documentation. And I will show you how. First, you can just follow the instruction to click this link. After that, it will brings you to this page and you have to choose the account or holder details. I will choose individual because I am, alone. And then you can fill the details. And are you a US individual? Because I'm not, I will choose no. And then it's filled automatically and I will fill my name. After basic details, you can fill the tax identification numbers. This is because I'm not US citizen. I will just click this one and then foreign. I'm from Indonesia. So I'm just Indonesia and I will fill my tax identification number. And then you have to fill your address so that you can fill your contact details. After you fill all forms, you can just click I confirm here and then you can click continue. And then you will see this page. You have to copy this code to confirm it, and then you can choose the question, and then you can choose form selection page. Because I'm individual from non-US, so I will choose WHBEN. So if you are from US, you can just choose this one. If not, you can choose this one. Click continue, and then you can fill the form again. After that, you can just click continue, and then confirm it. Click continue. And then for treaty claim statement, you choose yes, and then you choose your country. So if there is tax treaty between your country and US, you will get tax reduce. Continue. Okay, so for this question, simply if you are individual, you can just click no, and if you are entity, you can click yes. So I will click no here. Continue. I think this is not required. It's up to you if you want to, upload it or not. I will not upload it. Click confirm and continue. And for this, you can just check it all. After that, you can click continue. And then for this page, you can just fill your name here and your confirmation code. This one also. And then you can click confirm and submit electronically. And then for this page, you can just simply click I agree. And then I give consent to receiving a recipient statement electronically. And check this one also and click submit. And it's done. And you can download your document. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.